So we are back at the van. It's in the middle of Rugeley. Where we parked it before, there was some nosy neighbours on one of the boats who didn't like it there. They were claiming it was their parking spot, but it's actually Tim and Sue's. Just moved it out of the way down this lane. But it hasn't sold. I've had it up on the market for about 3 weeks. Loads of time wasters. Can't get anything for it. You can't give it away for free. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take out a load of stuff, load of wood and stuff, and take out anything valuable, anything that we want, and then we're going to take it to the scrap yard, I think, and scrap it and get 300 odd pounds or something.
Tim is, I think.
Yeah.
Because I can hardly drive the thing.
No, yeah, you can only drive it in third gear. And yeah, we just got to get rid of it now.
And Tim's a lorry driver.
The insurance is running out at the end of this month, so we have to get rid of it. Alright, let's go do it. Morning, Lou. We're sandwiched in and we can't really move it, so can't get the car right next to it. Where do you begin?
I need to get to the battery.
Take all these curtains down. It's so sad. The amount of time and money spent on this. But it's just the underneath of it, really. You can fix all the mechanical stuff, yeah. It's just the underneath. It's just you can't fix. It's like a ship or a narrowboat, it rots out. You're going to need a whole new chassis. And it's just not feasible. So here we get all these curtains out. Never know, might need them someday. Don't really needing that anymore.
Make bird boxes from it, but there's nowhere to put it on the boat, and I've got no time to make bird boxes.
Nice.
Just don't see what you can do. Why everything's got to come out. There's loads of stuff in here.
You want to make the boat nicer? Why spend more money on wood when you've already got it? Take these hooks out, they're useful. Mattresses. Not going to really take much. Not going to take much care in taking this.
There's all the parts for fixing the front of the van.
Okay. Reversing what?
The reversing beep 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 beep.
Yeah, take it out.
Hey?
You don't need it, but
Where I pulled it out from in the beginning.
we're just doing random things, guys. I know what. Well, we want to take the batteries off now. So we've got 2 batteries in here. Leotron, regular just ledger battery. And then we do this. So I've got to take those lovely Renogy solar panels off the roof in a minute. It's just going to be fun. Right. So it's just the battery connected now. So let's take the battery out now.
Oh no, that might cause problems.
Right.
I think we leave one of these pots under that.
Still need it up.
Yeah, expensive solar panels these, so it'd be nice if we could keep them.
We haven't got a ladder anymore.
The ladder's gone, I don't know what happened to that. Probably ended up in the canal like everything else. You buy a narrowboat, keep everything away from the canal. Just another good. Hey? Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. Hey?
Actually is there, I can't put my leg.
What was that? And it's happening to chim chimney, chim chimney. Do 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 do.
I don't know how to get back down.
You'll get back, Dane. I'll help you, Dane. Hold on, I'm going to film this guy going by. Got them all on camera. Yeah, they look.
I now had to try and remove the solar panels from the roof as delicately as I could, but a lot of the joiners were inside the van themselves and through a little hole, and it was really hard, actually impossible, to get them out from my position. I needed Dad to open up the roof and push them out from his end, which took a very, very long time. Had to stop work while Dad's. Problem is, can't take the solars off this way because the wire's in the way. Need to get these clips through. I'm giving them a pull. So yeah, I need to get these out, but I can't get them out through that hole. Dad needs to do it. Yeah, we need to come here. All I can hear is the noises, guys. It's funny. Finger then. But all three of them.
Yeah, I can't get there. Oh dear. Literally can't get my hands in now. More tip for 15 years now. It's all under this. Why? Just waiting it. I can't see anything.
Got one, guys. Let's do two more.
Well, you just have to wait a minute, alright? Oh. Not done yet. Having a rest. Okay, that one's done. That all done?
Yes, that's it. Christ. Now with the wires released, I was able to begin trying to take these panels off. Now I couldn't lean on them, I couldn't stand on them, and they were also very, very fragile. They couldn't bend a lot, and if you bend them too much, they'd start to snap. And unfortunately, I did actually snap them a couple of times. Just the plastic that actually covered up the inner workings. But they do work alright because we put them on the boat now and they work fine. But this did take an absolutely long time. This was a time lapse and I even had to speed this time lapse up, it took so long. And while I was doing this, Dad was ripping the inside of the van out. I'll tell you what, they weren't coming off in the wind. Get a bit fed up now, so I just want to look at the state of the van now. So sad, isn't it? It's so sad. Anyway, getting this ply out, so we reuse this ply for stuff in the boat. Some upgrades we want to do, so we are, you know, not wasting all this wood. All this stud work is going to be used for firewood as well. That ain't gonna work anyway, not the right tool. No. I'm gonna take Mum's bed out now. Whilst removing Mum's bed, we actually had a visit from a couple of lovely subscribers who were down on the Trent and Mersey Canal here at Rugeley. And they actually gave Dad a bottle of Jack Daniels, which was very, very kind of them. And it was great meeting you guys. Sorry I couldn't chat properly. Getting there. Loads of stuff there. We then had to begin the long jigsaw puzzle of fitting everything inside the car, and luckily we had an estate, I had to say that, because yeah, it was pretty much filled to the brim. I don't think the car's ever been this full. Yeah, somehow we fit most of it in. Oh god, one more bag. Oh, upgrade. Oh, that's the end of the van. That's the last time you'll see it, hopefully. We've had to leave the rubbish in because we didn't have time for the recycling centre today. There's not enough hours in the day, and we can't fit it in the vehicle. The vehicle's full, so we've still got a bag somewhere to get in, haven't we? No. Oh. Yeah, well, that's it. We'll have to come back next week and take it to the... We can't, we're going down Ilfracombe home time. We tell you that. We take it, I'll tell her. Chelsea. I'll have to come after the week after and pick up all the rubbish. Take it to the recycling centre. There's no insurance, how? Oh, thank you. I'm just trying to be... It's the last opportunity. Well, tomorrow's the last opportunity. That's rubbish. Jesus Christ. Just need my vapes out, wouldn't it? And that was it. That was the last time we ever saw the van. Yeah, quite a sad end in the end, really, wasn't it? Yeah, a few days later, Sue and Tim got rid of it for us. They got it towed away. And yeah, to get it picked up, of course. And I think we got £350 for it. So in the end, the whole thing was just a total waste of time and money. But there is, you know, a few lessons learned from the situation. A few good life lessons, really. One, not to ever trust an MOT. Because, like I said before, when we bought that van, I knew it had corrosion. But I read the MOT and it said... on the last one, advisories, or no, actually it failed on the corrosion, and then the next MOT there was no advisories whatsoever, so you assume, oh, all the welding's been done, brilliant, that's good, it's a decent van. But no, someone paid someone to scam the MOT, and now I've learned never to trust an MOT again. I've also learned many valuable lessons about converting a camper van, which has been, you know, invaluable really. And although my craftsmanship wasn't absolutely brilliant, I have learned a lot of things when it comes to carpentry and just using your hands, and yeah, so that's good. And yeah, because in the future, one day, I probably will get another camper van myself, not mum and dad. They'll never get a camper van again, but I would love to you know, convert a van. So I just don't know what the hell I'm doing with my life at the moment. There's a big update coming in the future, because this video should be on Taylor's Border Campervan, shouldn't it? But no, it's not. That's because Taylor's Border Campervan is going to be used for something else, which I will make an announcement video on soon. But for now, yeah, this is the last video anyway. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed all of the van conversions and what little adventures we had in it. And it was great fun doing it out and going out in it. But that's just life, isn't it?
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Life will beat you down to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. That's one of my favourite quotes. And I tried to live most of my life by that quote, because it has been an absolutely awful year for us. It really has. And I can't wait for it to be over, really. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.